Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Ford Ranger XL single cab ute, stock reference number 5335. This shape runs from the 12th month 2006 through to the 6th month 2011. It has a WLAT 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. WLAT 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror, a set of say 16-inch alloy mags, all with good tyres and no rash. Left front door, 2 small dents. Left rear CSA 16-inch aftermarket alloy mag. Right rear CSA 16-inch aftermarket alloy mag. Right front door has 1 small dent, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch aftermarket CSA alloy mag. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, single plug type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, auto console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel.